Yeah, so coming to part two, so actually that is split into two parts. Okay, so coming to planning horizon. So here, we have planning horizon, let's say, and begin three. Planning horizon means a part of the planning area where a planning file entry is made for the next chain planning in the planning horizon. The planning horizon is calculated in work days. So this is calculated in work days, so I have given here 3. Now, select item number button. So here we go back. Item numbers. Okay. So here PR item PR is there. So I am giving here 3 item number stock transfer restriction. This also I am taking as 3. Click enter and save it. So to know item PR3 position cursor on 3 and press the F1 button. Okay. So if you want in detail, just go here and click this detail button. Okay. You'll understand what exactly it is. Now main screen I am going to main screen. Main screen is IMG screen. Okay. You come out here. Now, first thing what we have done, carry out overall maintenance of plant parameter. So here in carry out overall maintenance of plant parameters, everything is coming like number in this we have seen planning horizon. Now what we are doing is we are going to MRP group, second part, MRP groups. The first, first step they may ask you into what you have done in MRP setting in CBP. So what should be your answer? Plant parameters, carry out overall maintenance of plant parameters. This is step 1. Now coming to step 2, MRP group. Carry out overall maintenance of MRP group. These two are very important. Plant parameter, carry out overall maintenance of plant parameter, then MRP group, carry out overall maintenance of MRP group. I am clicking this. At plant level, already plant parameters are maintained, which are applicable for this plant and all material. But for some material, additional parameters like control functions are required. Then at material group level, define additional control parameters and assign the material group to required material master. So here, plant, for this plant we are taking 2000, right? So you give 2000 value. So we are doing all CVP settings for 2000 plant. So let's say 3000. Click create button. Okay, MRP group is there. Give here 0001. Okay. So here MRP group for raw material. Let's say this. Click create button. So I can click create button. Now go to maintain. Okay. So already 0001 is there. Click maintain button. Okay. Now we went here. So scheduling document type. Click this button. Document type SPO. So here we select as NB. This is a standard document type, right? NB for PO also. Yeah. And document type SC. Let's say for example I will give YNB. So YNB is there. Huh? It's not there. Okay, ZBB is there. Okay, I will take this. Material PR. Document ST. Stock transfer. NB. Now taken this NB. You can enter and save it. With this above document type, PRs are created automatically with MRP done. Okay. This is important. Now click planning horizon. Again, go back. We have planning horizon here also. Okay. We have there also. Here planning horizon is there. So let's say I am taking this file. Click enter and save this. Go back. Now maximum MRP interval here. So I am giving here 5. 180 save it. Okay. Now safety stop. This is optional, so I am giving safety stop also. Go back, safety stop. Okay, so here share safety stop, let's say 100 or 50%. It is the percentage but not value or amount. Okay, here how much percentage of safety stock has to take into available stock. Okay, let's say for example you have a stock 100, then 50% will be safety stock. Okay, like this is the percentage. So save this. Go back, creation indicator. So we create purchase equation. Okay, so here we need to do these settings also. Create purchase equation, you need to select one because we need PR. Again, create MRP list. Here also we need to select one. Schedule lines, you select three. Hit enter and save it. Okay, so this is one means purchase equation. Again, one means MRP list. Again, schedule lines is three because we have maintained three. Now back. Define MRP group. Back to IFG screen. So this is settings is over. Okay. Now define MRP group for each material type. This step 3. Note on this. In MRP group only, we have 2 points. One is to carry out overall maintenance of MRP group and then define MRP group for each material type. This one. So let's say I am selecting a new entry. This sport material, we have many material types, right? We have Hava, we have core material, we have ROH, right? UNBW. UNBW means non-validated, just now we have seen, okay? Non-validated material. So material type, let's say ROH, this is standard raw material, okay? I'm taking this, and plant is setup we are doing for 2000, okay? And MRP group already we have created, that is 0001. Click this and save it. So in material master, defaultly above material group is picked with the above material type and plant combination, but still material group is editable in material master. Okay. So now number ranges is there. If you want to define number range, you can do it. Go back. Okay. So here number ranges is there. Define number range for planning run. Here only observe each number range and don't do any changes. So here we have already plan orders. If you want to see number ranges are there in tables. Here these are the number range already it is defined. You just go it and just see. Okay, number range is it is there already. Go back. Now go to master data. Okay, check MRP type. So here I'm going check MRP type. Here already MRP types are there. MRP type controls how material has to plan. So manual reorder point planning or automatic reorder point planning or forecast based planning. How to plan. Just observe each MRP type by selecting whole row and click detail button. So here, let's say for example, I'm taking one external planning. Go here and click detail button. So here in MRP procedure without MRP with a bomb explosion, bill of material CS01. Already we have seen this in subcontracting process, right? Forecast indicator, these are the setting safety stock reorder point. Just observe it. Okay. Yeah. So now go back. MRP area. MRP area. This is important. Activate MRP for MRP areas. Okay. Activate MRP for MRP areas. This one. So already this is in check mode. Just to make sure this is in check mode or not. It is there in check mode. So don't do anything. Just we need to check. So what will happen? MRP area MRP area types are plant, storage location, vendor. If MRP area is plant, then total plant available stock should not be less than the reorder point quantity or minimum stock. Otherwise, system will give procurement or production proposal. Now just select MRP, whole row and observe area type 01. So here see, uh, is there one? So let's say for example I am selecting any one MRP area in detail button. Just observe this, okay? MRP area is there and MRP area type is there, plant is there, maintain overall overview for MRP area. Okay, just select this hour. So here MRP area, uh, we will select our MRP area. What is that? What we have defined? 2000, right? So here, if we select this 2000, okay, and also area type 01 and plant RFP1 is 0 or not. So here, see here, yeah, area type 01 and plant is 0 or not, okay? Yeah. So here we have plant here. So MRP area, hmm, that's what, no? We need to click the new entries, okay? Click new entries and now view here MRP area. So let's say for example I am taking RMS 111, RMS 11. Okay. This is my MRP area stored. Now MRP area type. So I am giving this storage location. So 02 is here. Storage location. Take this. Okay. And now plant into our plant. What is that? 2000, right? Do this. Receiving storage location it will ask. So this storage location should exactly match with plant of enterprise structure. Okay. So storage location for 2000 we have 0001 already, right? And for 1000 also we have. So here we'll take 0001 warehouse. This should exactly match. That's what I'm saying. If you anything which is not there in the drop down, it will not appear. Okay. So don't save it and directly go to assign storage location. So here, go here, assign storage location. Okay, and click assign storage location new entries. Okay, go here and I'm giving storage location here. What is our storage location? 0001, right? 0001. Okay, click enter and save it. If you have your own enterprise structure storage location, you can take that also. Okay, but here I'm doing it predefined. Save it. Now define another MRP area by assigning other storage location for another plant. Okay, if you need for another plant, then you do it. Otherwise, not necessary. So if you want another MRP area, you can define it. Okay. Let's say for example, uh, go back. New entries. Yeah. If you want another MRP area, let's say for example, RMS 22 MRP area stored. Okay. One we have taken, right? Now I'm doing MRP area stored for 22. Okay. The line should be 5 digits but not 4. This is 5 digits. And here MRP area type storage location means we need to select 2, right? And you can take another plant. So what plant will take? So what plant will take? Will take another plant means let's say 3000 I'm taking. Okay, 3000 I'm taking. We should, yeah, click enter. And here again receiving storage location also we need to select the storage location which is there by default already. That is 0001. I'm taking this. Click enter. Save it. Before saving, go to assign storage location. New entries. Storage location is nothing but 0001. Click enter and save it. So another, similarly you can create another MRP area by assigning some other storage location. So if you want, again go back, new entries, okay. Let's say RMS33, okay. Take this 33, and here again I'm maintaining 02, okay. And here plant 3000 storage location. Click enter. 0001. Click enter. When in customizing storage location, you already did this, na? So leave it. But define another MRP area for subcontracting vendor. If you want, you can do for subcontracting vendor also. So here, subcontracting, I am taking RMS44, let's say. So I am doing a subcontractor. MRP area, I am taking 03 and plant to 2000. Click enter. Assign storage location. Subcontracting here. Subcontracting vendor. For company called HCL, it is 2000, no? We are practicing 2000. So we can take anything. Let's say subcontractor vendor. We have taken 2009. Okay, the filter and save it. This is for subcontracting process. Make sure this vendor belongs to plant. So that's why I have changed the company code 2000. Right. So back to Amazon. Save it. Yeah. Now coming to planning. Activate material requirement planning. So here MRP we need to activate this. Click material requirement planning here. So we will activate. So ours is 2000, right? So this is there already by default. Okay. If this indicator is selected, then a plant level total planning and single item multi-level planning is possible. If this indicator is not selected, then only single item, single level planning is possible. So that is what the funda is. We'll see all this once we do the testing scenario. So don't get confused. Yeah. Now setup planning. This is there. Back to IND. Now I go to planning part. Yeah. Define scope of planning for total planning. So here, second part, we are coming here. So I'm taking one new entry. Let's say it is ZZZZ. This is my planning scope. Click enter and save it. Now select the whole row and click sequence of plant, this part. Again I am going to new entries. So let's say here I am giving 10. Keep this as blank. MRP area. What is our MRP area which we have defined? क्या दिए थे अपन 2000 ये take this. फिर again 820 यहाँ पे RMS डबल वन दिए थे ना where it is RMS 11 and I take this. Okay. And I'm giving here 20 RMS ये भी नहीं right 30 आ रहा है 30 you will be either plant or MRP area in more entries but not both. So here either you give plant or you give MRP area but both are not possible. So what we are doing is we are giving MRP area. That's why we are keeping this as blank. You cannot give both at a time. Now our whole setting MRP CBP setting is over. Now we'll do the testing scenario. Okay. Let's say we are doing the testing scenario in quality server. So here what we'll do manual reorder point planning. So here first we'll create the material with MM01. So till now we have not selected any MRP, right? Now we'll select MRP1, MRP2, MRP3, MRP4, everything. Usually earlier what we do MRP area we take yeah ending no planning MRP type. But now we are planning, right? So now I am creating one material. Let's say I am selecting here ROH. Click enter. Plan to 2000 because we have done for 2000 only. Setting, right? So that's why we are taking this one. But before going to this part, MRP 1, 2, yeah, it is there. Okay. So I'm writing here manual. But before this, something we are missing. 101 mechanical engineer, let's say. You can we need to select this also, na? MRP1, MRP2, MRP3, MRP4. Okay. To select this. General plan data, okay, accounting one view. Select this and click on level button. So we are getting this MRP profile, okay. So here plan 2000 and storage location 0001 is there and MRP profile. So manual reorder point planning, always remember that is VB01, okay. We should select VB01. Manual setup we have done this, okay. VB01. So if you open this checkbox, it is there. Manual reorder point planning VB01. Okay, VB01. Click enter. So now what I just put it here. Let's say for example, manual reorder point planning. Okay, MRP test. So let's say here I'm taking each and here material group and select everything. Click enter. So now in MRP1 view, we need to select this is coming by default in MRP1 purchasing. Okay, so I'll take this 000 because this is mandatory. So in this MRP1 view, this MRP group 0001 is coming by default. Okay, what is the 0001 MRP group for raw material? We have done this configuration. That's why this is coming by default. Okay, this will come by default as per our setting. Now MRP type will be. This is also because we have selected VB01. So this will come by default VB. And what else? Also MRP type VB and the setting OMDQT code. So in OMDQ we can observe this VB. Reorder point 100. Okay, this is also coming by default. MRP controller 000. Right? MRP controller 001. So here we need to select 000. Disparate controller we have defined this now in MRP setting. That's why we select this. Okay. Disponent controller. We have done this setting. Okay. So you change this. Lot size EX. Lot for lot order quantity. This is also coming by default. So minimum lot size also you can give it. Minimum lot size. Let's say I am entering here 50. This is optional. In OMS to T4, maintain quantity value update for this plant. So here quantity update, value update should be there for this plant. 2000 plant. So obviously this will be there in quantity update and value update will be there. If you have any doubt, just go to OMS2T code because it should be mandatory. That's why I am saying. So here in OMS2T code, maintain quantity for this plant, quantity update, value update. So here, what is our material type? We have selected ROH, right? So here in ROH, just check quantity update, value update. Valuation area is nothing but plant, right? I told you earlier also, valuation area is nothing but plant. So what is our valuation area? 2000, right? So in 2000, you just check, see here, quantity update, value update is there. If it is not there, then you need to select this. That is what I have given in my notes. Okay, it is there. Okay, no issue. Now in MRP2 view, this is MRP2. So here in MRP2, we went to MRP3. So in MRP2 view, procurement type F, okay, external procurement, and special procurement is blank. Okay, if a special procurement is blank, then in PR item category fix as standard. Okay, if any special procurement is selected, then PR creates with equivalent to item category. Item category is what? It may be for consignment K or subcontracting L, right? So plant delivery time here 10 days is coming by default. So note, safety stock means you are keeping stock in reserve and it is shown as negative in MD04. So safety stock is there. Here, safety stock, let's say 10 I am giving this. When we run MRP with the T code MD04, this will be showing as negative. Means it is keeping as safety stock. Minimum safety stock, let's say I am giving here 5. Go to MRP3 view now. Availability check 01 means it is a daily requirement. 01 means daily requirement. Select this. Availability check 01. Enter other details and save it. So here MRP4 here nothing as such. Okay. And here plant data is also nothing is there. In accounting one view, what is the valuation class? 3000, right? Raw material. So select this 3000. Click enter. That's it. Save it. So note down this material number 1509. So we have not got this invalid party calendar. If this is there, then we go to OP03 and to the factory calendar setting. Maybe if you get this, then you go to OP02. Okay. So whenever MRP views are maintained in MM, then a planning file will be created for this material automatically. And while running MRP program, the system will read the planning file entries and accordingly it will view document or production proposal. Okay. So we have created one material. Now going to step 3. MRP run at single item. So single item level T code MD03. Okay. So I'm going to now MD03, MD03. You should know this all. Material is 1.09, right? That's what we have created. And processing key is coming by default entity ch min net change for total origin, okay? And create PR, so this will come by default. It is going to create the PR, okay? Delivery schedule is 3 schedule lines, okay? All will come by default. If scheduling agreement is there, we have seen scheduling agreement, right? In purchasing transaction. If scheduling agreement is there for this material in source list record, then it will generate delivery schedule automatically with reference to scheduling agreement rather than PRs. Checkbox display result before they are saved. So here I'm selecting this, click enter. Material does not exist. Oh, okay. MRP area we need to sell. We need to view our MRP area. Right? What is that? MRP area 2000. Plant is also 2000. Directly you give here 2000. Click enter. Please check input parameters. Click enter. So here we got this. Please check input parameters. Don't worry, again enter. Now save. See here. So stock is 96. Stock is 0 available quantity, and safety stock, as I told you, know we have maintained in MM01. Create at the time of create the material. As I told you, it will be showing as negative. Safety stock will be showing as negative, and purchase acquisition is there. So 100 minus 10. So it is keeping as safety stock 10. So here it is 90. So what happened? Let's see here. The system automatically has created the PR. See here, 1001355. This is the PR number. Understand? Now I'm saving this. Okay. MRP carried out. In MD04, go to MD04. So they may ask in interview what are the transaction code you use for running the MRP. Okay. MD01, MD04, these are MD03. These are the T codes. So here material 1509 MRP area and plant. So if I go here, I can see this, right? Automatically what system has done? System has created the PRC. PR is created 100135585. Observe above PR number and document title with keyboard MA52N. So here, just to copy this PR number 100135585, right? So I'm opening another session. What is the T code to create the PR? Any 51N, right? So already it is created, so I can check in ME 52 and edit PR, right? What is the PR number? 10013. What is the PR number? 10013 585. So go here, other equation 585. See here, manual reorder point planning. PR is created automatically. Okay. So based upon this PR, what you will do? What is the next step? You create the PO, right? This will, if a bad job is there, like if a bad job setting is there, So where you create a variant, right, and program, and you run the batch job. So what will happen? Daily, for example, if you have done the MRP settings, so number of PRs will be getting generated, right? That PR will get converted to PO if you batch job, if you do the batch job setting. Otherwise, this PR we need to convert into PO manually. How you will convert? You know, right? So here, just see whether release strategy is there or not. So do you have release strategy? So if release strategy is there, then you need to release this because already we have done the settings. So here see, we have release strategy here. So how you release this? What is the default to release the? Yeah, exactly. So what we do before going to convert the PR into PO, we need to first release this PR. Okay. So here what I'm doing, ME 54 and click enter. Double click this item. Particularly still content item with error. Why? क्या हुआ भाई? हाँ, validation flags. Let's say the I'm giving. Go to release strategy. Double click this. Okay. Release effective with code. Save it. Now, how you will convert the PR into PO? There are two options, right? Go to ME 21N. Either you go here, document overview on, okay, and click this and select purchase requisition, right? This is coming by default. Remove this because this is not SCL. Purchase organization something different for 2000, right? And what else? Material 1509, right? Plant. Now execute this. So what will happen? This is coming. So you need to select this and click what you click? Adopt button. Okay. So everything is coming here. This is one option. What is another option? You go here, do the PR number 10013545 585 585. Okay. 10013585. Okay. So you need to give here vendor, let's say 2000, and purchase or also you need to give by default 2000. Click enter. Net price, if you net price as 100, click enter. In case of ERS, because I think ERS is there for this material. Because we have done ERS setting earlier, that's why this is coming. So in case of ERS, please enter task code. Okay, no issue. We'll take the task code also here. What's the name? Standard rated input VAT. Save it. In case of ERS, please enter terms of payment. As I told you, if ERS settings are there, so where you find this terms of payment? Header level में यहाँ पर आएगा terms of payment. Okay. So terms of payment you should give anything. Here it is blank, right? You give 0001 immediately. Save it. That's it. Now, as usual, what you will do after PO, then you pass the GR and IR. But basically, what we have seen in MRP is whenever stock, minimum stock we have given 100, right? whenever minimum the stock level is falls below to safety stock, then the system automatically will create the PR. Like how we have seen, automatically the PR number got generated, right? So based upon the PR, the people, the users, they will convert the PR into PO. This is manual what we have seen. If bad job is there, if bad job is there, let's say here we have just seen one PR is there, but if MRP setting is there, basically what will happen? Hundreds of PR will get generated daily. So whatever PR is there, if you do again bad job, okay, badge management is different, bad job is different. So if you do the setting for bad job, whatever PRs got generated via MRP, that PR will get converted into PO without manual intervention. That is automatic PO. Bad job is auto PO. That is what. Okay, any doubt? ठीक है भाई वो एंटर किया और ये होता है यूजुअल होता है आपको पता है राइट ओके ओके आई एम स्टॉपिंग द क्लास